It may happen in buses, for example, that you be at less than 2 meters for a certain number of minutes. So the mask is becoming more important.
Premier Legault saying Wednesday Quebecers should make a habit of wearing masks outside in public, especially when using public transit, but for now it won't be enforced. This as a new survey by Some Cogeco showed 89% of Quebecers would be on board with the government imposing rules, making it mandatory for people to wear masks in public. Legault saying the government wants to make sure masks are available for all Quebecers before they make it a law, that they need millions just for public transit users in Montreal alone.
Si on voulait fournir des masques à tous les Québécois qui utilisent les autobus, le métro partout au Québec, on aurait besoin de dizaines de millions de masques.
Quebec recorded 89 new deaths for a total of 3,220. 39,931 people are now confirmed to have the virus, an increase of 706. 1,876 people are now in hospital, an increase of 35. And 194 are in critical care. That's up by 8 compared to Tuesday. Premier Legault saying the province is falling short of its 14,000 tests a day target.
We're one of the places that test the most in the world, but we were supposed to increase from 6,000 to 14,000. Unfortunately, we didn't deliver. We are now at 9,000, so I'm not happy.
Quebecers are being urged to get tested with walk-ins and mobile clinics being made available in hard-hit boroughs like Côte-des-Neiges and Montreal North. Quebec's Director of Public Health, Dr. Horacio Arruda, added there is a plan to launch a massive testing campaign specifically for healthcare workers in hot zones, CHSLDs, and other seniors' residences.
There is more than 48,000 tests, 48,000 workers that are going to be in the first step one on CHSLD to be tested. When there is a case, there is testing, but sometimes the testing is only in one floor or in odd zones, not everywhere. But now there's going to be a big operation on CHSLDs.
Premier Legault will be in Montreal Thursday and Friday to meet with Mayor Valérie Plante and local health authorities. Montreal with 20,232 confirmed cases of the virus and 2,063 deaths. The city's situation still considered fragile just 2 weeks before scheduled deconfinement on May 25th.
If the situation is not improving, we won't reopen. So we have to see an improvement.
In Montreal, Sharon Yonan Reynolds, City News.